Chrome extensions are the most underrated AI productivity hack. These 7 run silently in the background and save me 2 hours every single day. Harper reads any web page and lets you chat with it, summarize it, extract data, or generate content based on it. It's like having ChatGPT native in every tab. Cider gives you a floating AI sidebar on any web page. Highlight text and get instant summaries, translations, or rewrites. It supports Claude, GPT, and Gemini models. Merlin for quick AI queries, Monica for writing assistance, Glass for AI-powered highlights, Max AI for multimodal access, and Compose AI for smart autocomplete in any text field. Live demo showing each extension in action across different workflows: email writing, research, content creation, and data extraction from websites. Which AI extension are you installing first? Comment below. Links to all 7 are in the description. Subscribe for my weekly AI productivity tips.